Steve Drew here at the Drew team at Southwest Mountain Realty. Want to let you guys know we have a fantastic open house coming up this Saturday from 11 to 3. Wanted to show you just a glimpse, this amazing resort style backyard. This house is 3281 East Ravenswood. We are in the beautiful Gilbert community of Seville. And as you follow me here, I just want you to see gorgeous home. We've got a spa, we've got a full pool, barbecue that's built in, fire pit, remodel we just left, and inside it is a gorgeous house. Gourmet kitchen. You know what though, really, you gotta come see it. I think you gotta come out this Saturday. We're gonna be here from 11 to 3. Casey, Robin, Patty, we're all gonna be here. We can show you this gorgeous home in this beautiful community. Now, if Saturday's not good for you, hey, that's all right, because we could show it to you now and you could avoid the crowd and make sure you don't miss out on this house. Again, we're in the beautiful community of Seville. We're in Gilbert. Gorgeous house. It's going to be held open Saturday from 11 to 3. That's this Saturday, November 9th. Hope we get to see you. In the meantime, have a great day.